Hi traders, Joseph here from EightCap. Today's video we're going to focus on taking positions with the MetaTrader 4 platform. We're going to have a look at a couple of different ways to do that. We're quickly going to touch on the terminal window, and we're going to also have a look at editing open trades, adding stop losses or take profits to those positions, and how to adjust and add them via the chart directly as well. So we'll start with one-click trading. This box here is your one-click trading window. You can close it by clicking there and reopen it. Just if you can't see it, and if you can't see that little triangle here, go to Tools, Options, the Trade tab, and just make sure that one-click trading is ticked. If it isn't ticked, just tick it. Accept the terms and conditions, which is saying that once you click buy or sell, you're going to be instantly executed in the market. Hit OK and hit OK. So we'll have a look at this window here. So the volume is adjustable. You can take it down to a micro, or you can take it to a mini, or to a standard lot, and anything in between. That's just for an example. So if we want to take a trade with this, very simply click buy, and it's going to execute at the current buy price. If we wanted to sell, with this click sell, and it's going to execute at the current sell price. And there's two trades are now open, and we can see the green lines showing that they've been opened. So if we'd like to close the trade, you can do this in a couple of ways. You can right click and go to close, and it closes the trade immediately. You can also go to this button here, which is the terminal window, and you can make sure that the trade tab is open, and you'll see we have the trade open here. So you can double click in these two sections or down in this section, and it will open up this order to close. Make sure you click on this yellow close bar. Don't click on buy or sell, because they will open up new 0.85 positions. So just click on the yellow close bar, and the trade will be closed. So another way, which is quite similar to what we were just doing in the terminal window, is just to click on this new order. That will bring up a ticket. So you'll be able to sell and buy at market. If you wanted to add a stop loss or take profit, you can do so before you open the trade. So you can just push it up, or you can type in a price that you prefer, and you can put in a take profit as well. So take profit will be below, and once you're happy with that, you hit sell, and you'll see our trade open up. So we can see there we've got the stop loss and the take profit for our sell position. If you at any time want to adjust those stop loss and take profit positions, there's a couple of ways to do it. The fastest way is to do it straight on the chart. So you just hold your mouse until you see the small double arrows there. You left click and you can drag it, and we'll move to take profit. And there you'll see your new stop loss and take profit. You can also click on the green line here, go to modify, and you can adjust the prices in the ticket, and hit modify, and it will be updated. And you can also do it in the terminal window through these two sections here. So you just double click on the price, and the modify ticket will come up. You don't have to do it for either one, you can do both at the same time. You modify, and then that will be updated for you. So another way to do it is we'll just close this trade. Let's just say that we opened that trade and we didn't have it. We needed to do it quite quickly, and we didn't have time to manually put in our stop and take profits. Another quick way of doing it is just hold your mouse on the green line. Once that changes, you just left click and hold, and you can drag down. So that's our stop loss because it's a buy, and again drag up, and there's our take profit. So we can just either wait for the market to execute those two, or we can just very simply close the trade on the various ways that we've just gone over. So if you would like to see your trade history, in the terminal window you just click down on account history and you'll see the trades that were being conducted today. So you can change how you want that displayed. Just by right clicking inside that window, and you can go to last month, last 3 months, all history, or custom period. So for custom period there's a few more choices. You can do the last week, last 6 months, or you can put in a date range that you prefer yourself. So for instance we'll look at today, hit OK, and it's going to show us all of today's trades, and it's going to show you profit and loss. And we can change that to last month. So that's going to be the current month of July. So you'll see all of the trades that you've taken to this point in the month. So if we go back to the trade tab, so we've seen a few different ways of looking at opening and closing trades, and also how to add stop losses and take profits. So the best way to go is to just play around with it and find what suits your style of trading and your trading strategy the best, and then incorporate that into it. So some people are on a much shorter time frame, so they would prefer one-click trading, where other people, if you're trading from a 4-hour to a daily or a weekly chart, you'd be more content just to trade through a new order and then add in a stop loss and a take profit. But again, that all comes down to the type of trader you are and how you are trading the market. So that's it for today. We hope you have a very good week, and all the best with your trading. Thank you.